A woman who climbed into a giraffe exhibit got kicked in the face. This happened at a zoo in Madison, Wisconsin on Saturday. Now, witnesses say the 12-foot-tall giraffe licked the woman face first and then turned around and kicked her. She was not seriously injured, thankfully. Zoo workers say she's lucky because a giraffe can kill a full-grown lion. She was fined nearly $700 for trespassing. Hey, check out this amazing video here. It's of a bolt of lightning hitting right in front of a woman. This is at a hotel in Florida over the weekend.
I got that first one. Oh my God.
Yeah, better believe expletive deleted there. This was taken at the Breakers Hotel in Palm Beach, posted on Facebook. Now it's going viral. The woman who shot it was frighteningly close to that lightning strike, but again, she was not hurt. All right, what you're watching today, the tale of the tortoise and the truck. This tortoise was no match for a man with a remote-controlled truck rolling through the kitchen. Tortoise moving pretty good, though. Check that out. The two slipped and slid across the wood floor through the kitchen. Try as he might to stop the blue pickup, the tortoise kept falling short.